What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I got the OnePlus 7 Pro, and I made a video about cinematic footage using the OnePlus 7 Pro. And in part of my commentary, I said that the OnePlus 7 Pro does not have optical image stabilization at 4K. But a lot of you guys hit me in the comments and say, well, hold on, Easy. This phone does have optical image stabilization at 4K. Well, you know what? Let's put it to the test. So in this video, I'm gonna shoot with the OnePlus 7 Pro in my hand, shoot at 4K 30 and 4K 60. And then I'm gonna grab my gimbal and I'm gonna put it on the gimbal and I'm gonna shoot 4K 30 and 4K 60 so y'all guys can see if the OnePlus 7 Pro have optical image stabilization at 4K. Let's put it to the test. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. Alright guys, so the clip you just saw with the OnePlus 7 Pro in my hand, and right next to it I had it on the gimbal, and I shot in 4K 30 and I shot in 4K 60. So let me go ahead and give you my commentary. Look like the OnePlus 7 Pro in 4K 30 does have some kind of stabilization, whether or not it's optical image stabilization or electronic stabilization, but the 4K 30 does look pretty smooth, but it's always better with a gimbal. But when I shot in 4K 60, you did see a lot of jumpiness with it in my hand versus a gimbal. So I don't know if I was right or wrong when I said that this device does not have optical image stabilization at 4K, but it looked a lot smoother with 4K 30 shooting with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So I stand correct. The OnePlus 7 Pro might have optical image stabilization shooting at 4K 30, but when it comes down to 4K 60, I'm not sure about that. Maybe electronic stabilization might be kicking in and the optical image stabilization may not be kicking in, but I stand correct. Looking at the footage, it looked a whole lot smoother with my hand. Even with the gimbal, it looked a lot smoother at 4K 30 versus 4K 60. And this is why I go back and I retest and I really think this stuff out so I can give you guys the best videos on YouTube. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the OnePlus 7 Pro in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Hey, the cameras on here is good. Cameras on here is good. I mean, I really do like the cameras on the OnePlus 7 Pro. It's a hot phone. See ya. Peace.